bet you didn't expect this. 2 Italian cars in a row on my channel. That's right, it's not a Porsche today. This is the Maserati MC20 Cielo, and in Italian, Cielo stands for sky. Now this is the Spider version. I also have an option here that says Cielo. I can make the sky visible or not. Right, let's go for a drive. Excuse my voice. I'm on the edge of losing my voice, apparently today. So no shouting for me in today's video, not that I ever shout anyway. Actually, I'm gonna put the window down a little bit to hear the induction sounds, which are completely mad, and I love them. Gonna head down the Alp pass now, one of my favorite passes at the moment, and then head back up, of course, in what is a truly beautiful Italian supercar. I know there's probably some discussion. Is this a sports car? Is it a supercar? Is it a GT car? Honestly, I'm not really sure. I personally would give it the supercar name. So it's a twin turbo V6, putting out 621 horsepower, but it actually feels like more than that. The turbo boost on this is so aggressive, but it makes for a lot of fun. Not just when the boost kicks in, but as you can hear, the sounds also. Now I'm leaving the roof up at the moment, mostly just because of wind noise. I did a small test before, and with the roof down, there's quite some wind noise on the camera, which is not nice for all of you guys to listen to. I don't think there's a front lift. So far it's been okay, but I don't think there's a front lift. I couldn't find one. Absolutely rapid, this car. Now, some of you may remember I did film the MC20 when it first came out, and I absolutely loved it. It's such a unique car. It's something different. I've had this now for 3 days, and the last couple of days, so many smiles again, like my Giulia, which I have to say, this reminds me of my Giulia in quite some areas. This feels like a supercar version of my Giulia Quattrofoglio, especially both with the V6, of course. In sport mode, the gear changes are savage, and I love it. When you have it in GT mode, very relaxing, very fine to drive. It's an overall nice place to be. Yes, you can pick out some build quality parts that are questionable for a car of this price range. I think this one costs, in this configuration, 250,000 Swiss francs. However, I know if you throw some options on, like the carbon pack and a few other things, it goes up to 320, 330 very quickly. God, it's a proper mad Italian supercar, and I love it. I really, really do. Let's go. Feel the back end wanting to break loose. The boost is just ridiculous on this. Completely mad. endless thought this would be the perfect road for it also, because it's such a fast car. I wanted a road with lots of corners, which means lots of short accelerations, because you're picking up speed so fast in this. So it has the same paddles as I have on my Giulia. Again, many reasons why it reminds me of my Giulia. The steering wheel shape and size is very similar. And if you get one of these for a fair price, I think it's worth it. It's such a unique car, and I've received such positive attention from it the last couple of days. Performance-wise, noise, I know there's a lot of people out there that wished it had a V8, but this V6 is very special. And so is the power. My word. Something that happened quite a lot the last few days is people asking me, is that a Ferrari? I even had someone stop next to me and say, nice Ferrari. Which is not a bad thing to have. On the Maserati website, I saw they advertised this as a luxury convertible. So I just realized while driving that I've not actually seen this with the roof down, and well, as this is the Spider version, it would be rude not to. So if I just push this button here, the roof should go down. Let's see how fast it is. And just like that, it's down relatively quick, I would say. And wow, okay. That is one beautiful looking Spider, I must say. That definitely has the thumbs up for me with the roof down. Fantastic. Looks like some bad weather is now rolling in. As you can see ahead, the clouds. A bit of rain also, but it looks super cool with the clouds coming over the mountain like that. Another small negative is the luggage space. It looks like it was only made for hand luggage. I could just fit my camera bag in there. So to sum up my time with this car, I honestly really like it. It's unique, it's special, performance is there. It's really a beautiful car. As I said, I just had positive reactions from driving this the last couple of days, and I am gonna miss it. There is something really special about it.